So good morning YouTube. It is a beautiful morning today and we are going off to Gandikota. We are all packed. My bike is locked and loaded.
That's good.
We will exit the city and probably wait for breakfast, or we might have it before that. So yeah, it had been a lot of days since we traveled on our bike. So we have stopped here for breakfast. It is near our place, it's near our home. We are almost done with the breakfast and we're about to start the ride. Alright, let's begin the show. Guys, we have just crossed the city limits and we are currently at this hotel, Indian Hotel and Bakers, and we just had a snack to relax ourselves. It's been 2 hours since we are driving and now we will begin.
कार्ड पीछे पेट्रोल
So here we are about 200 kilometers away from our destination, that is Kadapa, and we have stopped at a hotel called Sandarshini Hotel to have our lunch. I ordered Ramadosha and mayonnaise. So let us see how the food is. Finally, done with lunch. Now we'll be moving after resting for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be moving forward. So, see you on the road. This will be our final stop before we go to Gandikota. The journey says, or the map says that it's going to take 2 hours, 2 or 2.5 hours. Let us see, we'll reach there by 7 or around 7, and we have to also call the tent fellow and tell him that we're going to be late, 1.5 hours late. So, give this.
This is our beast.
Alright guys, we are on nighttime adventure. This happens when you miss a ride when you're en route to your destination. So always have your eyes on the map and follow it. You don't want to miss any ride and get stuck in a situation like this. There's absolutely no one for us to help us if our tire gets punctured, or God forbid if our bike plans to shut down. Still got 30 kilometers to go, 34 to be precise. This is not even a proper fucking road. This is just a single lane road, and this is between fields. Actually shitting bricks, not for myself. I'm more concerned about my wife. There is no sign of civilization. This is the reason why I make sure everything in my bike is working in perfect condition whenever I'm taking the long ride. let me get out of this situation and continue the vlog.
All right, we reached Gandikota. We had our dinner, and now we are in the tents. After this, we are going to go for bonfire and some chill beer. This is how our tent looks like. ये देखो हमारा सामान पूरा. Hi friends, यहाँ में हमारा सामान है. और यहाँ पे पावी हुई है. So all in all, some chicken, some songs. We are done for the day. We're gonna sleep for tonight. See you in the morning for sunrise. So good morning everybody, good morning from Gandikota, and this is how the beautiful morning looks like here in Gandikota. As you can see in the background, it is sunrise time, and we had woken up especially to look at the sunrise or to take cinematic shots of the sunrise. So please enjoy the cinematic shots. Now we'll be heading inside the fort and seeing what all attractions are there. After that, we'll have the breakfast and move. This is basically for elephants. Elephants will use. Charminar. Sorry, this is not Rani Mahal. This is supposed to be a temple. Look at the details. Carved in stone. So this is Jama Mosque or Jumma Masjid. So this is supposed to be the granary, means food supplies basically for all the soldiers that were at the fort. That is another temple. this is the main attraction of Gandikota, as you can see in the background. The view is amazing. So anybody who wants to come to Gandikota, please contact Bhaskar from Gandikota campus. He will help you. I will mention the link in the description and also I will give you the contact details.